Hey everyone, my name is Lane Walker. I'm doing robotics in Germany. What is robotics? A robot is a machine that can be programmed to carry out a series of actions or tasks automatically. Robots can be controlled by a computer or an electronic circuitry and are typically designed to perform tasks that are too dull, dirty, or dangerous for humans. Who is using robots? Robotics are used in a wide range of industries and applications: manufacturing, healthcare, agriculture, logistics and warehousing, military and defense, space exploration, and domestic and personal use. Robotics engineering: design, build, and maintain robots. The typical salary is from $100,000 to $160,000 a year. And the skills required are strong programming skills, electronic skills, control system knowledge, and problem-solving skills. When are they using robotics? The top countries using robots are China, South Korea, Japan, Germany, the United States, Singapore, Sweden, and Denmark. Healthcare: robots are used for tasks such as surgery, rehabilitation, and patient care. Manufacturing: robots are extensively used in manufacturing for tasks such as welding, painting, assembly, and packaging. Agriculture: robots are used in tasks such as planting, harvesting, and monitoring crops. Why are they using robots? So the company I chose in Germany is Volkswagen Group. The strengths are efficiency, precision, and cost effectiveness. The weaknesses are dependent on technology, skill requirement, or cost of implementation. The opportunities are expansion in automation and customization, and the threats are competition and technology risk. When are they using robots? I believe most, if not all, companies will be using robots in the next 10 to 15 years, depending on technological advancements and economic conditions. It's hard to really say. It's clear that robots are increasing across industries and sectors. How is Germany using robotics? Goal 13, climate change. Robots are helping Germany reduce its carbon footprint by improving energy efficiency and manufacturing processes. Goal 15, life on land. Robots are used in agriculture in Germany to improve crop yields and reduce the use of pesticides and fertilizers. Goal 11, sustainable cities and communities. Robots are being used in Germany to improve urban infrastructure and transportation systems. Two truths and a lie. Germany is one of the top countries using robots. Robots are helping climate change, and everyone is using robots. Thank you.